Yes, we are bringing you video live on how to cast this POP ceiling. Now this is the process of preparing the mold. We have rubbed it grease. You can see how it's shining. Yeah, we just cross some buttons so that when we pour our mix there, it will not pour out. That thing that we put around there, that button that we put around, that is what we hold the the mix so that it will not pour from the board to ground. Just take a look how we are doing this process. I know you will enjoy it. You will enjoy watching it. Anyway, that is what we do behind the scenes. You transform this powder, this liquid to solid something, and you see how it's going to be. It's going to be very strong enough. Yes, it's going to be strong enough. But just take a look at the process, man. It's just fun. Sometimes I do it. I just love doing this POP. I don't know. Just love it. Whenever I'm doing this POP, I find joy just doing this work. Ever since before I even start POP, as in before I start this POP, I can't just know. Okay, let me even tell you something. Like when I was even learning this work, it's fun. I wake up very early. Sometimes I use torchlight. Just start casting ceiling. Those processes are what make us to sabi this work like this. And it didn't take me much time, like time duration, to learn this work. It didn't take me time much, because the way I was doing this work, even me, sometimes I will be shocked. Are you sure that you are the one doing this? Like I wake up very early. I can wake up like 6:30, start work. Already I wake up before 5 o'clock. That is my morning routine anyway. That one no be concern, But the main thing here is that the seriousness that I put learning this work. And I can't just believe it when I freeze it. I've never done work up to that level like that. I work starting from 6:30, so that when the place is bright, sometimes if the place is bright before that 6:30, I even start work. But I start work till sometimes I reach 10 o'clock p.m. Sometimes 12 o'clock. I'm still working using torchlight. My boss will say, "Goddy, it's okay, it's time. Just leave there. Will be annoying. That what kind of work are you doing? Just forget it. Tomorrow morning you continue." But it's in my blood. I just love doing this work. Anytime I see myself doing it. So these are the process that I followed. Anyway, this is what we are adding filler. Sorry, I've been carried away. Just GC. This we put fillers there. This is what we call fillers. It's very strong enough. Only one hair of this, you cannot cut it. It can even, if you are not careful that you are dragging one hair of this thing, it can even tear your hand. It's very strong. So sometimes I'll be wondering, people will be saying a POP is falling. See, it depends on the person that visit and do some kind of manager of materials, thing like that. Those things are a major cause of this itself. Because I know if you just believe say POP fall like that, but no money, where I just believe, because I didn't see them online. But it's very crazy. Because the way I fix this thing, the way we fix this thing, even my woman being safe than tie fall like that, fit come out. Get how fit form this thing, where I fit give you assurance, even though na car, they fit use talker with this snow the fix safe. Yes. Man, see that if not to find one day more practicalize this himself, so that I will believe it the talk for here. But don't be choice, but yes, I don't know, this is too strong. Maybe I'll create video one day, just gash it up. and myself just playing around with it. I think that is when you will confirm it. Now we are dressing the ceiling. No one sometimes they talk to myself. Say I even forget, say at least I will tell on those process. But anyway, my invitation. Now we have done it, we are allowing it to dry. Allowing the board to dry. Making dry small. If it dry, then we'll go see come out like this. Just take a look. Take a look. You see, it's cool, man. That's something if you do, if you never do POP before, if you just go buy the cement, put the water, and just following this video, just have fun, sometimes just have fun like me here. My work with they do, well, they call and say now phone, but process is yours, it's fine. If you look and say now simple thing, but when you want to do and now you go understand, say, so this thing be. So the reason the thing, just take a look. You are separating. The board don't dry like this. So now they try separate them from that molder. That molder not be anything big deal. Now MPF board they do. So no issue with say now you do POP show say you want buy molder. Now just MPF board they do. We form it, yes. We cut it according to the size of the plane we need. That is it. Now we have removed, we have separated the casted POP, casted board from the MDF board, the modern name. I call them modern name, look professional. You can look it very good, standard. Hey. Standard Organization of Nigeria approved board. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. Just cool, man. Cool, you can try it. You can try it. Oh, I'm trying now. If you fail now, knowledge again, but it's just cool. Thank you for watching guys. I'll see you in the next video.